Hello guys, new tutorial. I will show you how to install AMD Driver on Ubuntu 80.04. Okay, first we must download the driver. Okay, so let's go to the official website AMD. You will find this link on the description of the video, and here choose the version of driver Radeon RX 500 series or what you need. Okay, and choose the version CentOS Rahul Sliceless Ubuntu, and here choose Ubuntu and click here, and choose this is for Linux version 18. You can choose this, for example. This is for Ubuntu, and save. Okay, I have already downloaded, so I will cancel. And now let's open terminal and go to download. And let's extract the file. Enter. And waiting for extract the file. So this is version 80.10 for Ubuntu 60.04, but it can work too on Ubuntu 80.04. Sorry, this is 80.10, the version of Radeon, not for the Ubuntu. Okay, now let's go inside the file, and let's copy the ls command. And waiting. And it starts to install. Please wait. If you find the video is helpful and you find the solution to install AMD driver, you can donate for us. We need to buy new equipment to improve the quality of the video. So waiting for the installation. So you can take a coffee until it finishes. Anyway, you will find all of these free commands on the description of the video, and you will find also a link for PayPal if you want to support us. So this is the end of the video. This is how to install AMD driver on Ubuntu 80.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.